Hi, Year 12 and Year 13, and welcome to this week's virtual assembly. I hope you're having a great week so far. I wanted to use the virtual assembly this week to draw your attention to something that I'm sure lots of you are already aware of and may have already been involved in different ways. October marks Black History Month in the UK. This year's mission statement or tagline is dig deeper, look closer, and think bigger. An interesting tagline, and one that really kind of asks us to do something when we read that. And as lots of you know, this is celebrated and marked every October. And October 2021, they want to focus on some particular things. So every year, the organisation thinks about what it wants to be the focus, reflecting on obviously things that have happened in the year and new thinking, really, okay? And this quote is taken from their website, which really kind of makes it clear what they want the focus to be for Black History Month this year. So let me just read this to you quickly and you can see it on the screen. This year's Black History Month in October is more important than ever. It's not just a month to celebrate the continued achievements and contributions of Black people to the UK and around the world. It's also a time for continued action to tackle racism, reclaim Black history, and ensure Black history is represented and celebrated all year round. As 2020 showed and 2021 continues to show, Black history is being made every day in all kinds of ways. To shine a spotlight on Black history in the making, Black History Month UK magazine is inviting Black people around the UK to share their stories and experiences. And you can hear a bit more about that initiative and read a bit more about it if you visit the website, which I'm going to show to you in a little while, a bit later in the assembly. So first of all, what I'm going to ask you to do is to just watch this very short video that's available on Black History Month's website. It's a very simple video, but I think it's got some really kind of powerful and key words in there that should be part of the conversation when we're thinking about Black History Month. And I'm actually going to ask you and your peers within the form to think about some of the key words in this very short video. So please pay attention to them. Okay, thank you, Year 12 and Year 13, for focusing on that video. So as I just explained, I'm going to be asking you to have a quick chat with your peers and a discussion in your form so that we can try and engage with some of these issues, which is really important. And then obviously, it's on you then to go away and engage with these issues a little bit more in your own time. So I want you to think about some of the key words that popped up in that video I thought were really kind of powerful and really kind of make us think. And some of the words that come up when talking about Black history and what has been done with it in the past and what is still being done with it really in many cases is that it's been ignored, it's been misrepresented, it's been appropriated, it's been disrespected, and it's even been stolen. So I would like you in a moment to pause this assembly video and to have a discussion, first of all, just in pairs or in small groups with the people next to you about why you think Black history is being mistreated in these following ways, and think about these key words and how they're different to each other, but also how they kind of add up to the same picture really and the same kind of message. And then once you've had a quick chat in small groups, it'd be great if you could have a larger class discussion and see maybe whether opinions vary across the room and we can share some ideas together. and maybe start to think about as well what you think the solutions to this is. So think about, why they've been mistreated in these ways, and now moving forward, how do we make sure that these things don't happen to Black history? So can you pause the assembly video now then and take as long as you need to in your class, the more of the discussion, the better, to be honest, to discuss this question and these keywords, and then press play again when your class is ready. Great. So hopefully you benefited from engaging in that conversation there, and you were able to share lots of ideas with each other. It's really important that we keep this conversation going and that you continue to kind of engage in these issues and think about them in your own time as well, as we all have a responsibility to think about these things. Okay, I also want then finally to make you aware of the website that exists as well, blackhistorymonth.org.uk. Okay, this is the specific UK website for this, because obviously there are Black History Months at other times of year in other countries as well. But obviously the UK we're kind of focused on. Is such a fantastic, extensive website with so much information you'd never really get through it all, okay, because there's plenty there. But there's all different sections, so you can just go on news or highlights, okay? You can look at diversity dashboards. There are things on education, okay? There are ways to contact the organisation if you would like to get involved directly, okay? There are fantastic features that come up on the webpage, like you can see, you can't see the full title there, but of an article on when England taught the Yanks how to treat their African Americans. And then they also highlight up on their Zoom webinars where they're going to be discussing particular issues, live and personal events that they're hosting maybe in particular cities, and events that you can get involved in. And there's loads of news, loads of information that you can use to educate yourself or to get involved and to become more active. So I really, really encourage you to have a look at that website, to have a look for them on social media as well, as there's fantastic things you can be getting involved in and educating yourself a little bit more. Okay, so moving on. Just want to make you aware of some of the opportunities that are in particular coming up very soon this week. So Tuesday, and this should be the day that you're watching the assembly, okay, so later today, at 6 p.m, Dr. Rose organised a fantastic talk with the University of South Wales. He's promoted it loads, okay, but this is going to be focused on degree apprenticeships and personal statement advice. So anybody in year 12 or 13 that is considering degree apprenticeships as an alternative go to university, please come along to this and they'll tell you about how they're involved in these schemes. But also for anybody, especially year 13s that are in the kind of midst of writing their personal statements and they get into a kind of sticky spot and they need a little bit more advice, they're going to be given fantastic advice on personal statements as well. So please come along to that. It'll be a really invaluable talk, particularly for year 13s, but for year 12s that are considering the degree apprenticeships as well. Also then today at 5 p.m, this is organised separately to the school, okay, but Dr. Rose emailed out information about Dig Data and Facebook are going to be putting on a virtual work experience opportunity, okay, and it's all about how data is used in decision making in multiple markets, okay, all the markets you can think of really, okay, from fashion and retail to hospitality to big kind of tech companies. The data that we get from various pieces of information informs a lot of business decisions. So that's a really interesting and wide-ranging virtual work experience you'll be able to go to and then use to talk about in personal statements and so on in the future. Also then tomorrow, Wednesday, then between 5 and 6 p.m, IBM are going to be hosting a fantastic evening. It's called their Careers Insight Evening. So it's going to be learning all about the kind of careers that are on offer at IBM. It's one of the biggest technology companies in the world, okay? They employ hundreds and thousands of people. So anybody that is just even slightly interested in anything to do with tech should definitely be going along to this, because they're probably going to be talking about jobs that you don't even know exist. So really, really encourage you to go along to that. And also then Thursday, okay, in a little while, at the beginning of November, Dr. Rose also got booked in a talk with the University of South Wales on advertising design. So some of our more creative students, okay, that are taking maybe product design and art and subjects such as that, and are also interested in the advertising world. So you might be taking business and interest in the advertising side of it. They will be talking about their fantastic department in advertising design, all the things that they do. It's a really fantastic, enticing course that I've got to learn a bit about in the past, and I really recommend you come along to that. There's loads of other updates coming up by Dr. Rose, so please keep an eye on this. Okay. And some of the things that he's emailing you about are open days that are being put on from particular universities. Okay, many of them still virtual, but there may be some that are in person as well. And especially for year 13s, you've missed out on a lot of open days because of the pandemic. So we really encourage you to go to these. Keep an eye out because there might be universities you're interested in. There's also various taster days for them for particular courses and particular subjects. They're a fantastic way to get an insight into something you're considering doing, okay? And also lots of information about current apprenticeship schemes that are going out there now or are going to be available soon. So please keep an eye out on Dr. Rose emails. I know there are many of them, but if you search Roj, okay, when you're looking for something to do, an opportunity that you're looking for, and just look at the headings of the emails, they give you an idea about what ones are going to be relevant to you. Okay, also want to make all form reps aware that Emily has posted in the Teams group that our first sixth form council meeting of this academic year is going to be this Thursday. So what you need to do if you're a form rep is go to form on Thursday, sign in with your form tutor so you get your mark, and then come straight over to the study room. The meeting will be starting about 12:05, so you've got enough time to get over there, get your mark, and get back over. Emily is also put on the Teams group, and I recommend that you turn on the notifications for that Teams group so you don't miss any updates. Emily has recommended that you try and talk to your form before Thursday about any issues they would like raised, any things that they think need to be discussed from a sixth form point of view, and then they can be placed into the agenda for Thursday. So please talk to your form, and then if you've got any suggestions, it might be nice, rather than just bringing them on the day, to post in the Teams group or to make Emily or Hannah aware, so that they can be raised on Thursday and that everybody's voices get heard. Okay, apart from that, I just want to leave you with those thoughts really about Black History Month. We've still got a lot of the month of October to go, okay, so there's plenty of time to get involved in these things, but also remember that Black History Month and the issues and the celebrations that it raises are not just isolated to this one month of October as well, okay? There's a wealth of information, there's a wealth of ways that we can educate ourselves and be active, and try and get involved and engaged as well then with the issues that are presented. So please, if you do have a bit of time, try to get involved. Just try to have discussions maybe with your friends and with your family about it, so that we can keep the conversation going. Hope you all have a fantastic week, and we will see you soon.